Can I install an alternative window manager on Mac OS X? I come from the Windows and Linux world. Is there an alternative window manager for OS X such that I can move the stoplight icons from the left to the right on the title bar of the window, and also make them a few pixels larger? Using a Mac Air 13 inches, I still have trouble clicking those tiny icons, and it's frustrating because often I leave my mouse cursor on the right side, and so I have to sweep across a form to the left to click those things. It's really bad engineering, in my opinion.
Is there an alternative window manager for OS X? It depends on what you define as window manager. If you mean the entire framework that draws the windows, then no. This has always been the Windows Server in conjunction with Quartz. If you mean apps that enhance some of the window switching and layouting behavior, there are plenty of those, but none of them really replaces anything. Have a look at the following projects or tools if you want to tweak the window behavior, mostly with respect to resizing automatically. Znomad, a keyboard-based open-source tiling window manager. Slate, based on Znomad. Spectacle, keyboard-controlled window moving and resizing. Tilerum, like Spectacle. SizeUp, same as Spectacle, but costs something. Cinch, windows like Arrow Snap resizing. Better touch tool, mostly for mouse and trackpad gestures, but has window snapping. Optimal layout. Misage, Moon, window magnet, etc. Can I move the stoplight icons from the left to the right on the title bar of the window, and also make them a few pixels larger? There is no way to move the button somewhere else, as this is hardwired into the operating system. You also can't make them larger. The only possible customization in the title bar is removing window buttons entirely, showing a subset of them, or making them smaller, i.e. inspector windows. It's really bad engineering, in my opinion. This is Mac OS X, not Windows, and not Linux. It is what it is, you'll just have to get used to it. Mac people will probably take a week or two to get used to the inverse when sitting on a PC. And others might leave their cursor resting on the left. OS X offers you tons of shortcuts to close or minimize a window without needing the mouse. If you have your left hand available, all you need to do is press W to close the window, or M to minimize it. You can use a tiling window manager with fully customizable shortcuts. Chunkwon successor Yobai, shortcuts SKHT. Yobai is the successor to Chunkwon.
Yes you can, but you need Quartz or try to hack Quartz. Older versions of macos come with X11.
You can change some of the look and feel with an app called Flavors. You can't do much about the min, max and restore buttons, in terms of location or size. You can modify them a little and you'll see on their website some themes that do this. You can change the foreground and background colors, which was something I found annoying about Mavericks. I couldn't really tell what window had focus. You can also change the look and feel of some of the standard widgets, buttons, checkboxes, etc.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.